Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Spotify playlist with someone using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, go to your Spotify. On the lower screen, tap your library and choose a playlist. Example, this one. If you have many playlists, you can choose a playlist. On the upper right corner, tap the three dots and click Share. Now, you can choose a platform to share your playlist. Or you can just copy the link and share it with someone. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!